How to do shoulder taps properly. Shoulder taps are a bodyweight exercise that builds core stability, shoulder strength, and coordination. To perform them correctly, follow these steps. 1. Start in a plank position. Get into a high plank with your hands, directly under your shoulders, legs extended behind you, and feet about hip-width apart. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. 2. Engage your core. Tighten your core muscles to maintain a stable spine. Avoid letting your hips sag or pike upward. 3. Feet placement and stability. Keep your feet wider than shoulder width. If you're new to the exercise, a wider stance offers better balance and makes it easier to keep your hips stable. Or begin the movement. Lift your right hand and tap your left shoulder, keeping your hips as still as possible. Return your hand to the ground, then lift your left hand to tap your right shoulder. 5. Control the movement. Move slowly and deliberately to avoid shifting your torso side to side. The goal is to minimize movement in your hips and torso to challenge your core stability. 6. Breathing. Breathe steadily. Exhale as you tap. Inhale as you return your hand to the ground. 7. Reps and sets. Aim for 2 to 3 sets. 10 to 15 taps per side. As your core strength improves, you can increase reps or add difficulty by bringing your feet closer together. Common mistakes to avoid: letting your hips sway or rotate, rushing through reps, and placing hands too far forward or back. Tips: perform the exercise in front of a mirror or record yourself to monitor form. If it's too difficult, start by holding a plank until you build more core strength. Shoulder taps are excellent for building a stable core, strength, and improving overall body control when done with proper form. Please check my next video.